How to download Instagram Reels. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to learn how you can download Instagram Reels from your mobile phone. So first, downloading the Instagram Reels, there are multiple different ways that you can download your Instagram Reels from, and one of the best and efficient method today we're going to learn is downloading it within the Instagram app. So at first, go ahead and open the reel you want to download. After you open it, at the bottom right of the screen there you can see an arrow kind of icon that allows you to share. In this settings, there you can see there is an option that says download. If you go ahead and press download, your reels will start downloading, and if the creator allows you to download, then this is the best way to download the reels from your phone or your Instagram official app. Or else, if the creator has things that allows you to download the reel, then you can just go ahead and screen record the reel and crop it as you desire, or use any other app. So this was it for today's video. If you got any other questions, feel free to ask in the comment section, and see you guys in the next one.